subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Black Shark has launched two new gaming-centric phones globally called Black Shark 5 and Black Shark 5 Pro. Among these two, the Black Shark 5 Pro is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Black Shark 5 Pro features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with a maximum 144Hz refresh rate and 720Hz touch sampling rate support. The phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset paired with Adreno 730 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8, 12 or 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Black Shark 5 Pro supports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 108MP main camera with a 1.75 aperture, plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 120° field of view and a 5MP telephoto macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 20MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 12 based on Joy UI 13 skin on top, and it is backed by a large 4650 mAh battery with 120W hyper-fast charging support. For gaming, the company has added two magnetic pop-up triggers on the edges, and it has a massive anti-gravity dual VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.83 by 76.35 by 9.9mm and it weighs around 220 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Black Shark 5 Pro has been priced for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at $800. While the 12GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at $900, and the higher variant with 16GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at $1,000. The smartphone is now available for purchase in Nebula White and Stellar Black color options. So what do you guys think of this Black Shark 5 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.